Right now we're going to be doing a walkthrough on the Ember Touring 26 RB. So this is a huge camper having a lot of features all packed into one. Right here, this is going to be a light indicator. So this is going to be a huge feature that Ember brought to you. What it is on the back side, on both rear corners, we're going to have a sensor. So that sensor is going to be an indicator if you have an object there in your blind spot. So that's going to be a benefit when you're going down the road. You see the light on before you try to make a turn. You know that you have something there, and we need to let a second to let that pass to get over and make sure everybody's staying safe. Right up front, we're gonna have the Lippard Smart Jack, so that's gonna be a huge benefit to have. Able to set that jack height, set it, leave it, and then whenever you're ready to hook up, get it adjusted to hook up, leave, and start having some fun. But right behind that, we're gonna have this area right here. This comes down, nice and secure. We have our battery and our dual propane tanks right there. So with our indicator to select which tank we want to use, and then red, of course, is going to be we're not hooked up. So first thing, door side, you're going to notice our side marker light. It has this nice little fancy attachment right there behind it. Well, that's going to be pre-wired for a Furrion side camera. So we know it's prepped and pre-wired for a rear camera, but we also have the side cameras to ensure that we're keeping your family safe, keeping you on the road, and having fun. Right below that, we're gonna have our pass-through storage. So this camper actually includes the Lippard telescope ladder, hooks up to the back. That's gonna be a huge benefit, but check how large this pass-through storage is. Tons of room, tons of space. We have right here is going to be the reader for our solar. So that's gonna be a huge benefit. You're able to read what your solar is putting out, and that's up top, and that's already included. All right, first off, we're gonna have this 12-volt power awning. Collapses down. You don't have to do that. What that is actually going to be for is when we have it fully extended out, it's raining, that rain's setting up on top of the awning. Well, it used to be you would have to hand crank it in and drain the water off. Well, with today's technology, they made sure that it was self-collapse, drain the water out, and then pop right back out. So you're staying dry and that water's not doing any damage to the camper. Right here, guys, is going to be that outdoor kitchen. Just as easy, we come down, flip of the switches here, we slide out our outside griddle. This is a double featured griddle. So one of the awesome benefits is you flip it right over, slide it down, and you're able to actually cook with a pan on top of it. As soon as we step foot in here, you notice it's actually not that bright. Well, it turns out that I had the dimmer down. So not only is the dimmer switch, do you have one for the awning lights, but we also have a different one that's going to control the lights inside the camper. So it's an awesome feature to have. Maybe we want to read a book, chillax, turn the lights down, maybe watch a movie. You're able to do so. All right, guys, we are in the living room having fun. We have our fireplace and TV right across from us. It's time to kick back and relax. Just a pull of a switch, we're able to pop up the recliner, sit back, and enjoy the TV. But hey, one feature that I want to show you on all these windows, we're either able to switch it to daytime shades, or we have nighttime shades where it blocks everything out. So no matter what time of day, if you want to enjoy a nice movie, block out all the sunlight, or if you want to be able to enjoy some of the sunlight but not anybody see in, you're able to have your daytime shades and do so. Check this out. Opening the present, guys, this window opens up just like that. You're able to get that nice breeze in. But one thing they thought of is going to be drop the day shade down, so you're still having that awesome breeze come through, but we're not letting any of those insects or anything get inside. This humongous dinette right here, also going to have our windows right next to it, able to open up, having that breeze come through the entire camper. Remember, Ember windows, all of them are functional, able to open up. But let's say it's getting late, it's time for bed. This dinette actually does fold down and make into a second bed. So it's utilizing every square inch of this camper. Ember made sure they did so. Also checking out our above the head storage, not only above the dinette, but also above the sofa. Taking a look at this kitchen, we actually have this part right here that does fold up, gives us that extra counter space. Right here, we're gonna have able to fold this up, and then a cutting board for our double deep sink. And then our 3-burner stove and oven with the Furrion matching drawer for our pots and pans beneath. Ember has a humongous GE fridge and freezer, tons of room, tons of space, packing all the goodies in there. And then whenever you have it closed and we're going down the road, or if you have the little ones, you're able to close that latch right there and ensure that it's staying nice and closed and secure. Check out right here, we have the Connex 32-inch TV already included in this amazing price. And then right below that is the Furrion 30-inch fireplace. So the fireplace is gonna be a huge feature, whether you want the ambiance or you're actually wanting the heat, it's gonna be that dual purpose coming to you. Take a look at the bathroom here. We have a porcelain toilet. Right beside that, we're actually gonna have the opening, goes all the way back for any toiletries, towels, anything that you need to store in the bathroom. And then taking a look over here at the sink, we have the single sink with the double mirrors and storage below. And then don't forget this humongous walk-in shower. So plenty of space in here, plenty of amenities, and then also having that window. Remember, in this Ember, all the windows are functional and you're able to open them up. All right, guys, now we are in the master bedroom, and this is definitely a master at that. So right here with our queen bed, with our ambient lighting on both sides, being able to set that mood. Maybe you just need that extra lighting, but that's right, look above me. We actually have the windows that we're able to open up and set and secure. And then remember, we drop this down if we want the bugs to stay out, but maybe you just want to see the stars and set that mood, you're able to do so. Check out the space and storage below this awesome bed. We're on air shocks right here. Plenty of space, plenty of storage. You can pack anything and everything for this camping trip, or maybe that extended stay, able to do so. We're gonna have all the space and all the amenities to do so. All right, guys, we just took a look at the Ember Touring 26 RB with tons of features and benefits. The skylight definitely being one of them, but make sure to let us know any comments, questions, or any other campers that you'd like to see. But also, one of the reasons that I would say that this camper is above and beyond and great for either a couples coach or a small family to be able to go out is the extra benefits and details that Ember put in. With all the trim all the way around the outside to ensure that they're keeping your investment safe, but also keeping your family safe with the lane assist and blind spot assistance. It's all about those little benefits and features that Ember brought to you.